Hey guys, it's me, Nita. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and get started here in my guest bedroom. And what we're going to be doing is a spring refresh. Yes, we're going to go ahead and spruce it up and give it some spring vibes. We're going to give it something up in here. And then, yeah, that's what I want to do. But first, of course, we're going to go ahead and clean. So I'm going to take y'all along with me as we clean. Then we'll go ahead and decorate. But before we do all of that, I'm going to tell y'all that this room will not be like this for long because sometime in the summer, we're going to go ahead and remodel this entire room. So it'll only be like this for maybe a month and a half, you know, something like that. But let's go ahead and get into this video because I want to tell you more about what we are going to be doing in this room. This video is partly sponsored by Sheets and Giggles, company known for its famous eco-friendly eucalyptus lyocell bedding. Sheets and Giggles asked me to try their natural eucalyptus mattress, which I am super thrilled about, guys. It came shipped in 100% recyclable cardboard and shrink wrap to protect the mattress. They say best in class sustainability. It's a plant-based hybrid mattress that's eco-friendly, durable, and temperature regulating, which definitely excites me, guys. And because it's a hybrid medium firm mattress with the material they use, it's perfect for back support and provides you the most amazing comfort. But let's talk about how it's temperature controlled. Y'all, this mattress, as you can see, is encased in a eucalyptus lyocell cover, which makes it breathable, cool, moisture wicking, ultra hygienic, dust mite, and bacteria resistant. And the feel of this cover, guys, is so super smooth. And girlfriend, I have one fun fact about this mattress that I want to share with y'all. A feature many of you may find very useful. Guys, it has a sex score. A sex score. They said it, not me, y'all. I'm just the messenger. Out of a 10, this mattress has a 9.8 score. And for the sex bounce, you heard me, sex bounce, it has a 10 out of 10. Y'all, this is a real study, y'all. Check out Nap Lab reviews to get the overall score of this mattress, guys. The score is incredible. And y'all, don't be looking for me to do a review on that particular feature, honey, because what happens in my bedroom stays in my bedroom. But y'all, for more details about this amazing mattress, please be sure to check my description box for all of the information on this luxurious mattress. Y'all, I've just laid on it for a little bit and it's already comfortable. So here are the things that I'm going to be using to clean the room with, guys. I have my cordless stick vacuum, I have my mop bucket, and I have a cleaning bucket with a cleaning towel there. I have my Swiffer duster, and that is my go-to duster. I love my Swiffer dusters, guys. I have a microfiber cleaning rag, and I have my tried and true Windex, and I have my Mr. Clean. My Windex is my preferred glass cleaner or window cleaner. I love Windex, guys. I've tried the other ones and I just always find myself going back to the Windex. Also, I don't have a preferred like a cleaner. I use different types of cleaners. I don't really stick to like one particular cleaner, but I do have one that I really do like, and that is the Clean Freak. Clean Freak is really good. I'm not using it today. I'm just going to use this Mr. Clean in here. I'm going to add it to my cleaning bucket, and then I'm going to use it to wipe down the walls. I'm going to wipe down the chair rail and also the window sills using that. All right, so guys, let's go ahead and get started. So let me go ahead and tell you about the changes that are going to take place this summer in this bedroom. We are going to remove all of the texture, the knockdown texture that you see on the bottom portion of the walls, that is going to be removed. We're going to give the entire walls a very nice smooth finish. And then we are also going to be removing all of the chair rail from the walls as well. The room will be getting a nice coat of fresh white paint. And of course the vertical blinds has to go. Yeah, we'll be getting rid of the vertical blinds, and then we'll install the motorized shades in that room as well. And of course, you cannot have a newly redone room without new furniture. So we'll be getting a new bed, new nightstands, and a console table. All of the mirror furniture will be replaced with the new furniture pieces, which will be in a more modern, organic style.
So many questions that I wanna ask, but I can find the reasons why. You always find a small excuse to leave. What's your excuse to make me cry? My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. How can I love you when you're not around? How can I let you let me down, down? just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh, baby. Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me? Oh, but kinda new way. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh, baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me?
Okay, guys, I'm done. This room is sparkling. It's so clean in here, guys. It smells so fresh, y'all. That Mr. Clean that I use got this room smelling so fresh. Everything is shiny and sparkly and clean and dust free. And guess who's sleeping in this room tonight? I am, y'all. I'm sleeping in this guest room tonight. I don't care what the hubby say. Y'all, you know what? I'm gonna curl up on this. This nice, comfy mattress that was sent out to me by Sheets and Giggle. I'm gonna curl up on this mattress on some beautiful sheets and comforters, and I'm gonna read me a nice book, have me a nice glass of wine. And by the time I get good and comfortable, y'all, the hubby gonna come get in your own bed. He gonna come pulling me out the bed. I'm gonna try it though, y'all. Keep your fingers crossed. Hopefully I can have a good night's sleep in this room tonight.